No.
Hey everyone, today I'm back with another video, and today I got a tutorial on the Zen Rollover. Here's what it looks like. So, you may be wondering, wait a minute, isn't this the same move as the Y2K rollover, right? Well, it may look similar, but there is a big difference. So, the Y2K rollover starts with the bite handle, right, and rolls around your hand like that, right? But the Zen rollover, you start with the safe handle. And when you do the rollover, it's going to go down, and the bite thing is going to chop you up right there. See? You don't want that. So also, when you go down here, you have to wrist past it, alright? You got wrist past it. Like, I have made a tutorial on that, so go check that out. But in the more advanced moves, like the behind the 8-ball helix, you use a Zen rollover in the ending, so you don't cut yourself up. It is pretty similar to the Y2K rollover, where you hold the handle and you spin it around your thumb like that. But make sure you point your hand this downwards, alright? So that the blade can't chop you and you could wrist past it, alright? When you're first starting out to do this trick, you might cut yourself a little while trying to do the wrist pass here. But just be careful and try to avoid doing that and do the wrist pass. Here it is one more time. Alright guys, that's basically it for the Zen rollover. It's basically the Y2K rollover, but on the safe handle. And while you're going down, just move your hand down, do a wrist pass, and get it back up like that. Alright? Thanks for watching.